Tips and secrets to earn $100 a day on Shopify in the USA. 1. Pick a profitable, beginner-friendly niche. Focus on low-cost, high-demand products. Choose items priced between $10–$30, e.g. phone accessories, eco-friendly kitchen tools, or niche hobby gear, to hit $100 a day with 4 to 10 sales. Use Google Trends or Burst, Shopify's free tool, to find trending niches. Start with micro-niches. Target specific audiences like cat lovers or home workout enthusiasts to avoid competing with big brands. Test quickly. Launch 2 to 3 products to validate demand without over-investing. Swap out underperformers within a week. 2. Use dropshipping or print-on-demand (POD) dropshipping. Partner with suppliers via Oberlo or Spocket for low-risk, no-inventory selling. Prioritize US-based suppliers for 3–7-day shipping to keep customers happy. Aim for a 2x, 3x markup, e.g., buy at $5, sell at $15–20. Print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags using Printful or Printify. Focus on simple, catchy designs tied to your niche, e.g., plant mom or coffee addict. Pro tip: use high-quality, non-watermarked images to make your store look professional. 3. Set up a simple, effective Shopify store. Free or low-cost themes. Use Shopify's free themes like Dawn or Minimal for a clean, mobile-friendly design. Over 33% of US shoppers buy via mobile, so ensure fast loading times. Clear product visuals. Source professional images from suppliers or use Canva to create polished mock-ups. Good visuals drive trust and clicks. Basic SEO. Write short, keyword-rich product descriptions, e.g., BPA-free water bottle or wireless phone charger, to rank on Shopify and Google. 4. Drive traffic on a budget social media hustle. Post daily on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest with engaging content like product demos, memes, or quick tips. Pinterest works well for home, fashion, or wellness products. Low-cost ads. Start with 5–10 day on Facebook or Instagram ads, targeting niche audiences, e.g., yoga fans or pet owners. Focus on eye-catching visuals and test multiple ad sets. Organic reach. Share your products in niche Reddit communities, e.g., Buy It For Life, or Facebook groups, but follow rules to avoid spamming. 5. Boost conversions with simple tactics. Urgency and scarcity. Use apps like Hurify to add low stock alerts or countdown timers to encourage quick purchases. Free shipping threshold. Offer free shipping on orders over $30 to increase order value. Build shipping costs into your pricing to maintain margins. Customer trust. Add a FAQ page and clear return policy to reduce buyer hesitation. Use apps like Loox to collect and display reviews. 6. Leverage Shopify's free tools. Shopify email. Send basic email campaigns, e.g., welcome emails or abandoned cart reminders, to recover sales. Offer a 5 to 10% discount for first purchases. Shopify Shop app. List your products on Shopify's Shop app to reach US buyers browsing for unique items. Upsell opportunities. Use Shopify's built-in product recommendations to suggest related items, e.g., phone case plus screen protector at checkout. 7. Insider secrets for fast results. Leverage seasonal trends. Launch products tied to US holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Valentine's Day. Create urgency with limited-time offer messaging. Engage locally. Promote your store in local US Facebook groups or community boards, e.g., Nextdoor, to build early traction. Test and iterate. Analyze Shopify analytics weekly to see which products or ads perform best. Drop losers and double down on winners. 8. Scale gradually. Reinvest profits. Put 50–70% of early earnings back into ads or new products to grow your store. Avoid overspending until you hit consistent sales. Batch content. Create a week's worth of social media posts in one sitting using Canva to save time and stay consistent. Build a small email list. Collect emails with pop-ups via Shopify's free forms and send weekly promotions to drive repeat sales. Final notes. Earning 100 day on Shopify is a great starting point for beginners. Focus on low-cost, high-demand products, drive traffic through social media and small ad budgets, and optimize your store for trust and conversions. Stay consistent, test products quickly, and reinvest profits to scale. For more ideas, explore Shopify's free resources or join their community forums to connect with other U.S. sellers.